everyone, welcome back to my channel. After a long day at work, there's something so comforting about stepping out into cool, rainy weather. The fresh air, cloudy skies, and the smell of rain instantly make everything feel calmer. Before heading home, I decided to run a few errands. First, I stopped by the local vegetable market to pick up some fresh vegetables for the week. Since I was already out, I also did a quick grocery run to stock up on few everyday essentials. When I got home, my mom had prepared something that instantly reminded me of childhood, a warm glass of milk with dry fruits. It's one of our favorite drinks during the rainy season. Not only is it comforting and delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients and is a wonderful way to support your immunity during this weather. For me, it's more than just a healthy drink. It's a little reminder of home, comfort, and the love that goes into homemade food. Sometimes, the simplest recipes become the most special because they are made with care. After sipping on that warm drink, I decided it was time for a little self-care. The monsoon weather has made my hair quite frizzy lately, so I gave myself a relaxing champi with hair oil. Honestly, nothing beats a good head massage after a busy day. It helps me unwind, nourishes my hair, and feels incredibly relaxing. To end the day on a peaceful note, I went out for a quiet evening walk. The cool breeze, the greenery after the rain, and the peaceful surroundings made it perfect way to slow down and reflect on the day. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join me for more lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and everyday moments. Take care, stay happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.